The fastest recorded movement made by any animal is not a cheetah's sprint or a falcon's dive. It happens in less than 15 microseconds. To put that into perspective, the blink of a human eye takes about 100,000 microseconds. This movement is over 6,000 times faster. It belongs to a creature barely a few millimeters long, living in the soil beneath your feet, the Dracula ant, Mystrium camillae. Their jaws snap shut at over 200 miles per hour, an explosive release of power that is less of a bite and more of a biological gunshot. How is this possible? Your own muscles, and the muscles of every animal, have a speed limit. The chemistry of muscle contraction simply cannot operate that fast. The Dracula ant gets around this fundamental limit by cheating. It doesn't use its muscles to directly power the snap. Instead, it uses them slowly, over time, to bend its own mandibles together, like drawing a bow. This process loads the mandibles with elastic potential energy, turning its face into a tiny, powerful crossbow waiting to be fired. Storing the energy is only half the problem. Releasing it all at once is the real trick. The ant's mandibles are designed with a smooth, ridged surface. As they are pressed together, one mandible tip slides over the other, catching on a latch point. The muscles keep pushing, but the latch holds, allowing immense force to build up. Once the pressure is too great, the latch fails. The top mandible slips, releasing all that stored energy in a single explosive instant. This is known as a latch-mediated spring actuation system, a principle found in everything from a mousetrap to the strike of a mantis shrimp. But the ant's version is one of the most extreme ever discovered. The result of this release is an acceleration of 5 million meters per second squared. That's more than 500,000 times the force of Earth's gravity. A trained fighter pilot can withstand about 9 Gs before blacking out. A roller coaster might hit 5 Gs for a moment. The ant's mandible tip endures a force that would instantly liquefy any complex organism. The structure of its exoskeleton, its very material composition, has to be incredibly robust to not shatter into dust with every strike. It's not just a tool for eating, it is a piece of biological material science pushed to its absolute physical limit. How could anyone possibly measure something so fast? If you filmed this ant with a standard movie camera, which shoots 24 frames per second, the entire event would occur between the frames. For the camera, it would be as if it never happened. To see it, scientists needed a camera capable of shooting at 480,000 frames per second. At that speed, 1 second of real-time action would take over 5 hours to play back. It reveals a world of motion that is completely invisible to us. It makes you wonder, what other physical events, what other entire realities are playing out in the gaps between our own perceptions? So why evolve this incredibly complex, high-energy weapon? The answer lies in the Dracula ant's home. They live in tight, subterranean tunnels and leaf litter. In these confined spaces, there's no room to rear back and open your jaws for a traditional bite. The snap is a frontal attack that requires almost no wind-up space. It's the perfect weapon for a narrow hallway. Furthermore, its prey includes creatures like springtails, which can launch themselves to safety in a few milliseconds. The ant's attack has to be faster than the prey's escape. It's a microscopic arms race where victory is measured in microseconds. The name Dracula ant doesn't come from their predatory strike, but from something even more peculiar. They practice something called larval hemolymph feeding. The adult ants can't process solid food, so after stunning prey with their jaw strike, they carry it back to the nest and feed it to their own larvae. Later, if an adult is hungry, it will gently pierce the skin of one of its own larvae with its mandibles and drink a bit of its hemolymph, its blood. It's a form of non-destructive social cannibalism, a living, communal stomach that sustains the entire colony. This remarkable system isn't just a biological curiosity, it's a blueprint. Engineers trying to build tiny robots face the same physical limitations as the ant. You can't fit a powerful motor into a robot the size of a grain of rice, but you can build in a spring and a latch. By studying the Dracula ant, researchers are learning how to create micro-robots that can jump, strike, or cut with incredible speed and power, all without bulky engines. The fastest movement in the animal kingdom, hidden in the dirt for millions of years, might just be a key to our own technological future, proving that the most powerful ideas are sometimes the smallest.
Monotony has grown fast. Nearly 2,700 people have watched in the last few weeks, yet less than 0.03% are subscribed. It would mean a lot if you joined by hitting subscribe. And again, thanks for watching.